What's good? Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. It's just a typical San Francisco day. It's not sunny, it's on the foggy side, it's a little chilly. What am I doing now? I am doing some caviar deliveries. It's lunchtime, it's the lunch rush. This week is gonna be pretty slow. I have my availability completely open on TaskRabbit. Cross my fingers I can get some TaskRabbit jobs soon, because I like those TaskRabbit jobs. Wow, what is going on here? This used to be a building. I guess it's about to be another building. That's pretty cool. But anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Yo, motherfucker. I don't know where this delivery is. I gotta figure this one out. It's on Jesse Street, so I gotta go somewhere this way. This is the way. Yes. I knew it was one of these routes. Alright, let's drop this order off. I don't think I've ever dropped off here before. This place looks kind of fancy. I'll go up. Is this like a courtyard area here? I don't know. Alright, here go restaurant number 2. See how this way gonna be up in here. Okay, so this restaurant taking a minute, so I'm giving me a little charge action in real fast. Right here in the corner. And here goes the rain. You gotta love the rain. I actually don't love the rain right now. I gotta go so slow. It's gonna take me forever to get on the other side of town now. But at least it's not pouring. At least it's not pouring. It is like a zoo out here, yo. Thanks. Well, I can't remember the last time I actually cleaned this skateboard, but it looks a whole lot better now because of the rain. I should probably get some new skid plates. All right, lunchtime right now. Just got some, some stir fry here. And guys, there's this app called TikTok. I just posted like 2 videos to TikTok yesterday, and one already has 43,000 views. And I've already posted one about 15 minutes ago, and it already has 514 views. So I don't know what's up with this app, but this app is like pretty hot. So you guys should check out TikTok. And if you want to follow me on TikTok, my handle is 901 Cali, the same handle for YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. Yeah. Okay guys, so back at the house now, and you know, like I said earlier today, it was raining in the forecast, and right now it is raining so hard outside that I just opened the door here, just a little bit. I just opened the door just a little bit, and my whole leg just got wet. Like my sock, my foot is wet, and I'm just kind of like, yeah, it's really raining. I was actually gonna go like down to Whole Foods and grab a couple things, but I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere with it raining like that. It's just raining like crazy. Maybe I'll wait till it dies down. I just checked the forecast, and it looks like in about 45 minutes to an hour, this not this front, but the heavy part of the rain will pass through. So that's what I'm waiting on right now. But as I'm waiting, meanwhile, I got a Beyond sausage here on the stove. I have to make a Beyond sausage, about to have a little bite to eat, and yeah, hopefully the rain do its thing and the rain dies down, and then I can go out and, go down to Whole Foods and, maybe go run a couple other errands, something like that. Because it's still kind of early. It's just dark and raining like crazy. It's like 6:15 right now, so it's still kind of early. Yeah, still the night is very, very young. People are still getting off work, for crying out loud. Traffic's probably lit out there right now. I'm so glad I'm not in the car. So glad I'm not on the skateboard either. I'm done with the skateboard for the day. Yes, knock on wood, today was a safe day. Dang, is that wood? I guess so. Yeah, I guess that's wood. Let's finish up on this Beyond sausage. Wow, look at this big flood. This is at like Market and Church in 14th. Yeah, like hella water out in the street. And looks like they stopped the trains, so there's no trains coming through. And looks like they stopped the trains, so there's no trains coming through.